peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, my name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner, the builder, and the inventor of revolutionary cleaning process to clean high-quality Oriental rug from dog or cat's urine odor. Let me show you this amazing silk Oriental rug. Then I pick it up to clean it because the dogs had some accident on. And the smell was so bad that was very hard to remove it, make it shortly. Let me show you the cleaning process that I invented specifically for the problem urine odor removal from silk Oriental rug. We never touched the rug in the cleaning process. Everything done magically by using the Dead Sea minerals. And I guarantee upon delivery, no trace of urine odor. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Enjoy the video.